Okay, let's do a new sound with this, with the VCV. I'm gonna full screen this. I do have a kick and bass on track already, and a MIDI note, just one MIDI note. That's all we have. Template, which is basically mixer, clock, EQ, some synths, nothing too fancy. Start from somewhere. We'll use some of the Valley modules, some of the Volt modules, some of the audio stuff. Start with one of these oscillators. We will need probably some great modulation with the caudal, something to create some kind of sequence here, some kind of quantizer for the notes. Compressor is also good, so we don't blow ourselves up in the process. So yeah, let's connect the compressor first, and let's get some signal from this guy. Yeah, okay, and we'll need some sequence. Let's put one leakage for our melody rhythm thing. Send here. Plug this to 1/4, I guess. 1/2. Quantizer is going to keep it in a certain scale that we choose here. The key. Leakage is gonna make it. So we can have more control on the range of this modulation, and even modulate this with the offset modulation and the range modulation. Let's put this in FM mode, and what is it, in meta mode. Trigger this with 1/4 bar, and use the hit to create sample and hold modulations, many of them coming out of the caudal. Yeah, it will kind of switch. If you put the speed down, the energy down, it will kind of switch it to a more of multiple sample and hold thing. So if we wanted to modulate things, multiple things on any oscillator or effect, then we have a bunch of different synchronized sample and holds. It's not triggered all the time, it's triggered by the sample and hold, so sometimes it will hit. Let's put another caudal for more rounded modulations. Negative 2 octaves. voice with psyops maybe. Let's put this one down for a moment. So we can put one of these guys, which is really cool, operator, oscillator. The tone modulation to quantizer as well. Not bad, let's create some modulation with the caudal. Algorithm could also be automated. So really making some cool stuff. Got some effects to this. Let's scope these other caudals and see what we have. The pink one is the non-sampling hold one, more rounded, and the other one has the pulses, sampling hold. This one went a little bit too insane. We're gonna put the releases down a little. Just went too insane. Put some sampling hold on the dry wet and put it down, so it will kind of pull dry wet up sometimes with the sampling hold and create those glitches. Put one more voice with the Opulus, one of the latest models from Vult. It's an accidental FM operator, which I think is really cool. It doesn't have any knobs, doesn't have anything. It's just the ability to randomize sounds with classical FM from Vultus. Like I guess this one will give you a better idea what's the options that are being randomized, and then you can store them, store the timbres and morph between them. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's put some gate on it. So I will hit the random button, create a random FM sound, and if you happen to like it, this accidental FM operator, save it, hold it for a long time until it starts blinking, and you'll have to save one voice like this inside, and randomize again. Randomize again. Wow, this one is way more aggressive. I don't know if I like it. Let's randomize again. This one sounds more ghostly. I like it. Let's randomize again. One more time, one last time. Most of these Opulus and the Volt things, they have a really good random. They usually hit things that make sense compared to when you hit random on one of these guys. So you will get a lot of nonsense. Fuck, I really like the one and I skipped it. Okay, for the sake of the example, we're gonna put in more code and modulate it with a random sample and hold. And that's it. That is sound. You can process it a little bit more, maybe on these guys. Yeah, that's it. This video gives you guys a better idea of how to use the presets I make and how there's so many ways to use VCV Rack, and I think everybody has a different approach. But if you get this video, then you will get how to work with any of my presets. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and to